A wolf raised by gods, destined to kill one. Here's Fenrir's fate. Fenrir, born of Loki and the giantess Angrboda, grew too strong, too fast. The gods got scared, real scared. So they tricked him into wearing a magical ribbon, Gleipnir. From the sound of a cat's footfall and other impossibilities, yeah, that's not gonna last. Tyr sacrificed his hand to seal the deal. But when Ragnarok hits, Fenrir breaks free, swallows Odin whole, and is then slain by Odin's son, Vidar. One prophecy, one bite. Follow timeless trivia for legends that bite back.